Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm testing return to home accuracy of the DJI Flip at night. For the first test, I'm here on a football field with very bright floodlights. Perfect visibility for the sensors. I also listened to a comment from the last video. Someone said, "Calibrate your compass before the test. It improves RTH accuracy." Alright, so I did it. Full compass calibration before takeoff. Just like the previous video, I will climb up to 50 meters and fly 500 meters out over the city landscape. Beautiful views, but remember, this is all about accuracy. The snow has taken over Trondheim. So the drone is 500 meters out. Time to hit auto RTH. The drone turns around and starts to come back.
Return to home.
I have increased the video speed of the flight to 3 times for a better viewing experience. The drone is almost back.
Landing.
It's landing, and the moment of truth. It landed almost perfectly, but it has touched down about 1 meter away from the home point. So yes, pretty impressive for nighttime, but not perfect. For the second scenario, things got more interesting and way darker. This time I'm testing another popular suggestion from the comment section. Take off, go about 7 meters high, hover for a few seconds, and then start flying. So I did exactly that. Went up 7 meters, hovered, then flew 500 meters out and 50 meters high over the frozen lake in almost complete darkness. The drone is 500 meters away. Time to hit auto return to home again. Let's see if hovering over home point makes any difference in RTH accuracy. Despite the lack of lights and having only ice underneath, the DJI Flip finds its way back without any hesitation.
Landing.
It is descending. Once again, 1 meter ahead, so the hovering trick didn't seem to change the final landing accuracy either. The flip was consistent, impressively consistent, but still off by roughly the same margin every time. Honestly, 1 meter is pretty solid, especially at night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.